Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your homie Afpal, and today I will show you the most important features of Catstats.ai. If you don't know yet what it is at all, and you ended up here by whatever coincidence, well, Catstats is a tool that helps you with data analytics and with automatization, or what a word, of affiliate programs and networks. And it's really, when it comes to the data analytics, not about optimizing the traffic or optimizing the payouts. It's really about the management of the program, so that you see opportunities, that you see risks, that you see how healthy your network is, how your affiliate managers are performing, where are opportunities, how offers are working at the moment, where you are maybe losing money. All this is packed into one product. And this is a cooperation between leading affiliate managers and leading data experts that have built solutions like this on an individual base. And now you can have it as a SaaS for a really, really, really fair rate. And what I want to say upfront as well, we offer free trials, and these trials don't need any credit card or any payment. We don't want to be like dodgy and say like, you forgot your credit card to sign out, and now we bank from you. You test it, we are convinced that you will love it, and then you will stick to that. And another important information is to set up the demo or to set up your own account. It takes only 2 minutes and you don't need any tech person. I think that's also very important, because we all know how it can be to go head on head with the CTO and mix some integration into the sprint. Okay, this here is the website. You are not here to see the website, but it gives you already like some insights of what it's doing to detect compliance risk, traffic issues, revenue drops across the entire program. By the way, you can also integrate more programs or networks if you own like a couple of them in one dashboard to detect scaling opportunities, and you don't have to check data yourself. And that costs you, or that saves you a lot of money compared to manual work. And what I think is even more important than saving you money is you don't have to rely on a person that is reacting to you, and it takes out any human errors. And additionally, what we have is the recommendation system. And what the recommendation system is doing in a nutshell is practically pairing the right affiliates with the right offers. About this, we go also a little bit more into details. So, okay, I loaded here a demo account from us. So the numbers are, of course, not realistic numbers, but we had to start from something. And you can see here, we have here the overall network performance score. And this is directly telling you how healthy your network or your program is. You see here how it's performing overall, how is the growth or the decline of the network, and how compliant it is. You see here also an overview about different risks that you are having at the moment, or different things that are working well. And you have for everything also like a tooltip, so you don't have any long time on learning this system. You see also how it's looking, that it's very lean, it is very nice made, it's not taking away any focus, and you have all the key findings and recommendations directly on one click. So you for example here, 2 previous active offers that are not longer active. So you click on that, you see what it is, and then you can get a list directly which offers are affected. So it's one thing to know that your network or your program is going down a little bit, but to find out really what is behind it, it's a different story. Also, for example, you have 8 advertisers from your top 10 list that are dropping at the moment. Also, just click here, boom, you see the advertisers that were going down, and also the development of the of the advertiser itself. How big is the effect? So in that way, your managers can act super fast. And of course, where there are advertisers, there are also affiliates, and for them it works exactly the same. I mean, you all know that I come from affiliate management, so it's like a very important thing for me that this is working fine. In this case, it's one active affiliate that decreased You click here and it's the affiliate ID, this and this, and the affiliate name, so and so. Here we don't have at the moment directly the overview about the affiliates, how much they dropped. But of course, this tool is in permanent improvement. And also you can contribute with your insights what you wish to have. So, and here you have like some more stuff like for VIPs that you have opportunities to grow and so on, and you would just jump down there as well. And you see also everything goes super, super fast. And this is not because it's a demo account. It's really because all this data is, how shall I say it, worked on in a very, very, very efficient way that makes it for you super fast to navigate and have the right findings. So and now you can go to the KPIs of the entire network. You see here the revenue, the profit, and the margin, and also how it was development into compared to the month before, to the quarter before, or year to date. So then in this way you can directly see, hey, I'm performing good, or we have like a problem coming up. You have the network size and the activity. Currently, you have 4 active advertisers, 8 active affiliates with 8 active offers. And when you click here on the tooltip, you can also see once again how this was even calculated. The same is with the churn rate of the affiliates. Which one is stopping? It's this Showa pub that was popping up before. And you see also which advertisers are affected as well. So then you have the new business and growth opportunities. You have how many new advertisers were onboarded, how many new affiliates were onboarded, and how many new offers were integrated. Then you see the performance of the network per active revenue, average revenue per active affiliate, average revenue per active offer, top performing offer, and fastest growing offer. So you see here directly, for example, a problem. You have here 56% of the revenue coming from only one offer. If this offer is not working anymore, you have a really, really serious problem. And what is, I think, extremely helpful is you see the fastest growing offer that you have at the moment. And this is the build biceps big as your head. I think a lot of gym bros would buy that, and a lot of lazy people. So that's definitely something to focus on. Then we have the growth insights. Once again, explanation here, what it means, and then explanation here, what the points are meeting. So you have here the revenue trajectory that shows you the revenue that are currently having. And it has also the prediction how the revenue will develop. These are of course like based on historical data, and it's also based on how active you see affiliates, how many offers they are picking up, and so on. So you have like a calculation, and you can see this of course also historical, how it's developing. Then you have the affiliate segmentation. Affiliate segmentation is actually my favorite part of the tool, beside the recommendation system. So how it functions. You see here a list of affiliates that are in certain categories. So for example, you have the sleepers. They are lapsed affiliates. You had less than 15 conversions during the last 28 days. And then comes a bit deeper explanation as well. So these people are in some way active. They make in some way money, but they are not really working really with you like on a serious level. And they practically just let run what is anyway coming in. You want to know who these guys are? You click here, you get directly a list of these people, and you can reach out to them and do proper affiliate management. And of course, you see here also stuff like the biggest ones that are even growing, or the ones that have like the highest potential of growing itself. And you can also click here on this little light bulb, and it gives you some kind of recommendation. And for example, with this personalized AI offers, we are speaking once again about the recommendation system. So this really, really helps. You directly can see which affiliates are dropping, which ones are scaling, which one have a potential, which one have no potential, and so on. And you can directly react to these findings. Then we go through to the offer performance. This one here we can skip. This one here we had already. It showed you the 2 offers that became inactive, which was accounting for 25% of the total active offers that you had before. And we have here once again this finding that we were seeing already before. This is this Olympic Stadium offer that was contributing 56% of the revenue. And you can click here and see the explanation of what it practically means. You have one inefficient offer that you can click and work on. You have 2 scaling offers. I think that's very helpful. You can focus a little bit on that. So here was nothing happening. Now is something happening there. Then you have 1 declining offer. So you can check which offer is this. You have to also see it like this. This is a demo account that has only, I think, 8 offers inside at the moment. But in a real life situation, you have hundreds of hundreds of offers and dozens of advertisers. So it's often not possible to see that anymore manually, especially not in such a nice and lean interface. Then you have the publisher manager performance. This shows you the revenue per publisher manager. It shows you who is the best, who is the lowest. It shows you how many active publishers are there per publisher manager and the average revenue per publisher manager as well. I think that's very helpful to really see who is like hustling and grinding and who is just relying on a handful of old partners. If you have, for example, somebody that has like a crazy amount of average revenue per publisher, but has here only 2 active publishers, you know that this person is just relying on 1 big partner and most probably not working enough. And often these are just inherited affiliates that they just keep going. So you have to have a talk with them. Very, very helpful to manage affiliate managers and your affiliate program like that. I can tell you also a situation where this would have really saved me a lot. I had a guy in the team back in the days, 8 years ago or something like this in mobile, and he had practically just 1 big affiliate and maybe like 4 or 5 small ones. And he inherited this affiliate. It was already big before. He was not scaling it. It was also not dropping, or it was scaling only a little bit. And he was just maintaining it. And because we were so busy, we were not even spotting this situation. And we also didn't have any tools like Catstats to find that out with just 1 click. Then you have the advertiser segmentation. We were there already before. It's a little bit similar to what we had with the affiliates to show which ones have like potential, which ones are inactive, which ones are going down, and so on. And then you can reach out to them and act. For me, and this is very interesting and maybe not the opinion of everybody that is watching this video now, for me, it's usually more important to focus on everything that is growing and not everything that is dropping. Of course, if you have an affiliate or an advertiser that is dropping from 1 million to 500,000, that's a very, very drastic thing, and you have to act here extremely fast. And it's more important than somebody that goes up from 1,000 to 2,000. But in general, if we are speaking on the same volume, I would always focus a little bit on the guys that are scaling. And the reason for this is that now we are nearly like as the art of affiliate management instead of a walk through Catstats. Because when people are scaling, there is only one reason: they are making money and they want to make more money. If somebody is stopping or dropping, there can be a dozen reasons, and half of this you cannot even influence. Person is ill, is on holiday, lost the traffic source, and God knows what. Then you have compliance insights. This was something that I was originally not so interested about when we created Catstats, but now I know that it's one of the most important features. And this is showing you really which affiliates are not in line with the conversion rate and what needs investigation for potential fraud. Then another thing that needs a lot of manual work and monitoring is the age of the creatives. So it's not good to have like banner fatigue or landing page fatigue. So it's practically changing when you updated the last time the creatives of the offer. And then you can go there, you can find the offer, you upload new banners. You have also an opportunity once again to speak to the affiliates and say like, hey, we have here something new. And now comes the real highlight. This is payout versus revenue discrepancy based on the profit margin. And it's not about when you are practically having a rev share offer and you are paying out on CPL or CPA. That's not what Catstats is doing. This is really like a wrong setup of offers where you are just paying the affiliates too much. With too much, I mean more than 100% of what you are having. And with every partner that we integrated so far in Catstats, we saw this problem popping up, smaller or lower. Why is this even the case? Offers are set up, offers are not updated, affiliates are not updated in their payouts, and so on. So that's really a realistic thing, and there you are only burning money. It's not like an opportunity or something like this that you can make more. No, it's just with every conversion that you come in, you lose. That makes zero sense. And you can also click here and see practically who is affected. So that's it practically from the first walkthrough of Catstats when it comes to the network performance. Um, the tool is really like an absolute game changer for the industry. It's not something that some people made that have zero idea about it. It's people that understand affiliate management, affiliate marketing, and understand data analytics and how to build a dashboard that is looking fantastic and shows everything that is needed. As it is a demo account, you see that here and there some numbers are not matching, but I can tell you from the real data that we have that everything is like super perfect. If you want, you can book a demo and have a look yourself and get some deeper explanations. If you want to try it yourself, you can just integrate it within 2 minutes without any technical knowledge. And we don't ask you for any credit cards. You just sign up, you just connect it. As I said, 2 minutes, no technical knowledge needed. And then you can see it with your own numbers. And you will be blown away about what this tool can do. And when we show you the recommender system, that will even blow you away more. What the recommender system does, just to give you already an outlook on that, it's pairing the right affiliates with the right offers and make suggestion which offer for which affiliate would perform based on big data, based on historical data, based on similarities with other affiliates would perform the best. And because we know some affiliate managers are lazy, or you can also say like, hey, we have to be time efficient. You can choose if this recommendation should just go to the affiliate manager and the affiliate manager is reaching out to everybody and selling it, or if you want to have it sent out automatically to the affiliates and they can make their own decisions and the affiliate manager can then follow up. So yeah, guys, that's it with Catstats. I hope you like it. I hope you are as impressed as I am every time I see it and every time I see new features. So yeah, book a demo, make a trial, and save time and make more money with Catstats. Peace out.